Hi guys, continuing from our previous video, visiting the Sita Ammon Temple, the Strawberry Farm, and the Pedro Tea Estate, we are now heading to the train station to reach Ella on our 4th day of the Sri Lanka series. So without any further ado, let's go into the video. It's actually summer here in Sri Lanka, but due to sudden climate change, we are experiencing heavy rain. The locals started to warn us about sudden floods and landslides in this area. We were a bit worried but moved ahead with optimism. We have already booked our ticket online for Ella. We thought we would be late, but we made it 30 minutes before our departure time. If you are planning your trip to Ella by train, then Nanu Oya is the ideal station to go to. Even though Patipola and Ambiwela stations are situated in Nuwara Eliya, the Nanu Oya station is the nearest station to Nuwara Eliya town. The Nanu Oya railway station is the primary rail hub for the town of Nuwara Eliya in Sri Lanka's hill country, serving the Scenic Kandy-Padola railway line. Located at an altitude of about 1,200 meters, the station is known for its charming, colonial-era architecture and is a popular gateway to the lush tea plantations and mist-covered mountains of the region. The station is approximately 5 to 6 kilometers from Nuwara Eliya town, and local buses and tuk-tuks are available for the short transfers. We didn't have lunch on our way here and found a cafe at the station itself. We tried few snacks, but it is not fresh and hot. It's better to buy outside, guys. We expected a delay, but not this much delay. Our 2:40 p.m. train arrived after 4:40 p.m. only. Yes, it was more than 2 hours delayed. What we had planned for today before sunset has been postponed, so trust me when I say to be flexible with your plans in Sri Lanka, guys. The Nanu Oya to Ella train journey in Sri Lanka is renowned as one of the world's most scenic train rides, lasting approximately 2 to 3 hours, and offers stunning views of tea plantations, waterfalls, and hills. As the train chugs out of Nanu Oya, you'll be greeted by endless vistas of emerald green tea plantations. These meticulously manicured fields, dotted with colorful sari-clad tea pickers, stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a patchwork of greenery against the rolling hills. The sight of these plantations is a testament to Sri Lanka's rich tea heritage. The train makes brief stops at small, picturesque stations throughout the journey. These stops offer a glimpse into the daily lives of the local communities. Villages like Ohia and Haputale are nestled amidst the hills, with charming homes and bustling markets that reflect the simplicity and warmth of rural Sri Lankan life. The friendly locals often wave as the train passes by, adding to the charm of the experience. The train route winds through mist-covered mountains and dense forests. They offers a glimpses of the lush vegetation that thrives in the highland climate. The cool, crisp air and the sight of mist gently lifting off the treetops create a serene and magical atmosphere perfect for a peaceful retreat into nature. Enjoy with me digitally this misty beauty of Sri Lanka for a few minutes. This train ticket from Nuwara Eliya to Ella sells out quickly, so be ready to book as soon as the online tickets are launched. On the launch date itself, we didn't receive the first class tickets, and only 2 tickets were available in second class for us. Thank goodness. We got an open window seat through which we thoroughly enjoyed our journey to Ella. This second-class train ticket will cost you around 2,500 Lankan rupees. We enjoyed our Sri Lankan snacks throughout our journey. The journey culminates in the charming town of Ella, a haven for travelers seeking natural beauty and adventure. Surrounded by tea plantations, Ella offers stunning viewpoints, such as Ella Rock and Little Adams Peak, as well as the famous Ravana Falls. The laid-back atmosphere of Ella, combined with its breathtaking scenery, makes it the perfect end to an unforgettable train journey. The train ride from Nanu Oya to Ella is a quintessential Sri Lankan experience, offering a window into the island's breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Whether you're a nature lover, a photography enthusiast, or simply seeking a tranquil escape, this journey promises to leave you with lasting memories and a deep appreciation for the beauty of Sri Lanka's highlands. So sit back, relax, and let the scenic wonders of the Nanu Oya to Ella train ride unfold before your eyes. From the Ella train station, the main town is just a kilometer away. Ella is a small town in the Badulla district of Yuva province. We started to walk through the town. Ella offers a nightlife focused on relaxing rooftop bars, cozy cafes like Caf Chill, and lively yet laid-back bars and nightclubs. We went to 360 Ella, the best reviewed restaurant and tea lounge in Ella town. They have live music every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. They are well known for their amazing food and drinks. We tried chicken burger and egg noodles, which were delicious. After dinner, we went to the nearby supermarket to get some refreshments. Sri Lanka has a lot of snack varieties to try. These supermarkets have everything you need, and even the memorable souvenirs are available. Later, we reached our homestay by tuk-tuk by completing our 4th day in our Sri Lanka series. What an awesome journey, guys! So let's wrap up for now, and let's explore Ella tomorrow. Until then, it's Porchselvan signing off.